Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix the application was unable to start correctly with the error code 0xc00007b while you are trying to open an application or program on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the click on the Windows search bar, and here we need to type features. So you need to type in the Windows search bar features, and you'll find under the best match, turn Windows features on or off. Click on that. Now maximize it, and here you'll find this feature .NET Framework 3.5, .NET Framework 4.8. So you need to make sure that you turn on these two features, .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8. So if these are turned off, just simply turn this on by clicking on each boxes. Click on OK. Now after you have clicked on each boxes or you have turned off the feature, that will search for the required files and will also apply the changes. Now in my case, it doesn't search for required files because I have already turned the feature on. So in your case, you just need to wait for the process to be done. And for the next method is we need to download the DirectX and user runtime. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and you need to open a browser. So let's open the Edge browser. Here in the search bar, simply type DirectX and user runtime. It's DirectX and user runtime. Hit enter. Scroll down and you'll find from the official website www.microsoft.com. Click on that. Then here you'll find this window or this page. Now you have to select the language. Click on this drop down arrow and choose the language that you prefer. So I'm going to go with the English language and click on this download button. Now, if your download doesn't start in 30 seconds, you can also click on this link from here, which is hyperlinked. Then click on the open file once this is downloaded, or you can just simply click on it once and close the Edge browser. And here you'll find this window. Check this box, I accept the agreement, and you have to click on next. Install the Bing bar. If you want to install the Bing bar, you can do it, but I'm not going to install the Bing bar, so I'm just going to uncheck it. Click on next. And this will now be installing the DirectX and user runtime. So let's just wait in a while. Now it's done. Click on finish. And after that, you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows, and that issue will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.